Hello and welcome to the Superyacht Times channel, and today we've got something a little bit different lined up for you because we're at the Cannes Boat Show in the south of France and we're aboard what is almost certainly the fastest boat in her class in the show and one of the fastest for her size overall anywhere in the world. It's OTAM's new 70 HT called DARTH VADER. This is a high-performance yacht, so we're going to start this video talking about performance because let's face it, that's probably the main reason why you guys are watching this video in the first place. The first OTAM 70 HT is fitted with the slower 2000 horsepower MTU engines for a top speed of 50 knots, but OTAM also offers a more powerful 2400 horsepower package for a redline speed of 53 plus knots. I mean, that's almost 100 kilometers an hour. Mental. Together with the naval architect Uberta Tagliavini, OTAM designed the hull lines from scratch, drawing on its championship-winning projects from the past and today's cutting-edge technology. The deep V hull is coupled with Anson surface drives and custom-designed roller propellers, and the boat feels solid and assured in the water. Right, let's see how far she can go. Right, the throttle's full down. We're close to 40 knots, but she's still picking up speed. Okay, we're maxing out at about 42, but in a flat calm, I reckon she could make 50 knots plus, no problem at all. As you might already have gathered from the name, the boat was created for a Star Wars fanatic, and details from the popular franchise can be found all over the yacht. From the wheelhouse, with its Darth Vader helmet-shaped console and Baby Yoda imprint in the flooring, all the way to the swim platform and the yacht's custom nameplate. The owner requested a custom 3-cabin layout inside and decided to ditch the tender garage here in the stern to create a bigger swim platform and save valuable weight in the hunt for optimal performance. This level of customization comes as standard on every OTAM, as every boat is effectively a one-off and built to order at the shipyard in Genoa.
It's a clear company vision and mission. We are not looking to be a serial massive production yard. Therefore, we choose to build 2, 3, 4 units at a time, depending on the size, from 40-footer to 40 meters, entirely customized. Our typical client is someone who definitely loves speed and who is looking for real freedom. That kind of freedom that you normally have on mega yachts construction. That's why OTAM is considered a little world apart. And actually OTAM is craftsmanship, is engineering, based on a very solid and rigid dedicated DNA, which is the one of racing.
The aft cockpit comes with a fairly standard layout with a U-shaped sofa around a dinette, but there's also a retractable glass screen that allows the guests on the outside to connect with those on the inside. The design team chose to keep things quite simple on the inside with contemporary monochromatic tones with a splash of color every now and again for the scatter cushions. This cozy lounging cum dining area behind the wheelhouse, but there's a lot more going on down below. The lower deck houses the yacht's galley, 2 guest suites and a separate crew cabin. A central corridor leads down to the master suite at one end with, yes, you guessed it, a life-sized impression of Darth Vader on the other. A design detail worth noting is how the LED strip lights follow the contours of the exterior styling. As space is a little bit limited in the stern, OTAM has made the best use of this stretched foredeck, which they actually call the sun deck, and it's easy to see why, with this big sun pad in front of the wheelhouse. And check out these cool automotive style air intakes finished in glossy black that channel cool air directly into the engine room.
DARTH VADER is actually a perfect example, and to us was a blessing. We had the real chance to show how deeply we can customize. Like, for instance, the shape of the dashboard recalls DARTH VADER helmet. That's another chance we had to show you how we can make it, following client choice and translating their own vision in every single detail.